You have to remove the jaw. Mapaprepare ko chicken natin guys. This is the jaw. And we remove the bone chip first. This is the standard procedure cutting in carol. It's the bone chip. And after that, remove this side for the neck. But first, we need to remove the lagyan ko ito ng laman. Because it's for the
barbecue, yeah?
Yeah, for the occasion like in supermarket. It's not like in production. And then apparently this is the side of the neck. You gotta remove this one. Be careful when you're handling the knife.
You might not get to work tomorrow because you're wounded.
Maybe you slash your hand. This is the standard when you are working in the production. You are industrial butcher guys. That's it, right? And after that, before we separate the neck, this is the standard. You need to remove the humerus. Sorry, my knife is not really good. That this is it. Pancit. Let's separate this. Cut, clap, this. Then the blade bone. Lalagyan pa ba natin itong laman?
Tanggalin mo na. Hindi mo na
Hindi na. Tanggalin natin. That collar. Ito po.
Doon mo na lang lagay sa lahat yan sa kabilang rep. Sindihan mo na lang. Sindihan mo na.
Lance. Leg.
Doon sa maliit na rep, lagay mo lahat ng karne.
Okay na. Hindi ko na muna ito eh. And this is for the roast.
Rosa, you treat me like a
Thank you
rose.
guys. Bye.